Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to find your reading grade that you got in the fall of 2019 and how to take the Renaissance reading test to see if your grade improved. So I have a student looking at her gradebook right now and she's going to scroll down and show you where to find your fall reading grade. You're going to go to school closing and right there fall reading level. 12.9 out of 13. So that's the highest that you can get. What that means is this student in particular has a 12th grade reading level at a 9-month. So if you have a number like 6.2, then that means you have a 6th grade reading level at 2 months. The average reading level for, let's say, a 10th grader is probably like a 5. The average reading level for a 12th grader is more like a 7 or 8, okay? So don't let that number freak you out. But the first thing I want you to do is figure out what your reading level is. Once you figure that out, you are going to take the test. So they're going to scroll up to the top of their page for me. And in the left column, scroll all the way up so they can see that you're on your page. So she's on her English page. She's going to click Renaissance Learning. And it's going to be super annoying. It's going to not work. It might say launch app. There might be a block-up popper, but you should see this, okay? And then the next thing that she's going to do is click Star Reading. This is going to take her to the exam. Remember the exam, the questions are timed. So the password is, it should be for everybody, YOLO SWAG, in all lowercase, YOLOSWAG. They're going to click Start. It says it's incorrect. Cool, cool, cool. Did you do it in all lowercase?
Yeah,
Cool, cool, cool.
cool.
Try. Yeah, not cool. Okay, so it's not this password, so we're gonna try a different password. What about test in all lowercase? T-E-S-T. Too many attempts,
No.
can't start test. Awesome! Well, I'm not re-recording this because I don't have the time to. But if the password works, it'll launch the exam and you will have timed questions. Take the exam by May 29th, and if you increase your reading levels, your grade will increase. So I will send you the actual password and we'll go from there. All right, I'm done recording my screen in a second.